Okay, hello everybody. This is an interesting thing here behind me. We have Ford f250. It's a 2003, and it's need a head gasket. And let's see what it takes to get head gasket replaced. All right, so this is the truck, and this is the bed. So basically, by Ford recommendation, that you have to take the cab off like this to be able to access the heads. So the head's already been removed, and you gotta take all these stuff in here to get the head gasket. This is the old head gasket in here. So yeah, when you're buying a Ford 6.0, this is the 250 Super Duty. So anyway, it appears to be the head gasket a major issue on these 6.0, but this is what you need to do to get that fixed or replaced. So this is one head, this is the other head. These are the gaskets and the new stuff for that truck. There's more hoses and other stuff to be removed. And yeah, turbos, manifold. This is the full view here for your entertainment. And hopefully you enjoy the video.